Welcome back to ColdStart Garage for another food stamp repair. Here's my problem. Don't mind the oil leak, just a little exhaust. We'll see if we can fix that. So I went to Horrible Freight and I'm gonna try fixing with these. Couple C-clamps. Okay, so that's not gonna work. Alright, so get that bolted back up there. Alright. We'll just... Oh man, that's a fucking mess. Laying on everything. How's these clamps feel? I don't know. My hand almost fell off my head. Can I get two hands in there? Nope. I'm gonna get rust right in my eyeballs.